There's a couple things you need to know when you're picking out shower shoes, and I'm going to tell you what those are. I'm going to review these shower shoes that I just got, and I'm going to answer some of the questions that people on Amazon have. Now, first of all, these are for my daughter. They're not for me. She's about to go away to college, and that's probably the number one place where you need shower shoes because, other people are going to be in the shower. You don't want to get your bare feet on that gunky floor. So I picked these shower shoes for her, and here's why. I think the most important thing is they're non-slip, so they have really good treading. And falling in the shower is something you definitely don't want to do because you can get hurt. So these are super sturdy. Also, you want good drainage, and that's why I picked these, because they have drainage holes in the soles, so the water will fall right through them. You won't get squishy feet. The material seems to be pretty strong and supportive. So it's not quite memory foam. It's called EVA, and it's lightweight and it's cushioning. So these seem solid. The shape is called an upwarp, and it's very ergonomic. So it's kind of curved like this. So it's meant to take pressure off of the center of your feet, so they're comfortable to wear and walk around on. And then finally, one thing that I thought was really nice is these have what they call massage bumps on the inside of the sole, on the cushioning. So you're getting a little foot massage while you're in the shower. Now, while these are pink, and I got them for my daughter, it does come in other colors. So, anybody can wear these in the shower. You don't have to get pink ones. So a few of the main questions that people on Amazon have about these that I can answer are, do they run true to size? Some people on Amazon say they run a little bit small, so recommend sizing up by half a size or a full size, and you'll do fine. Another question is, can I wear them outside? And yes, these are durable and comfortable, so they're great for the pool or at the lake or walking around in water. So definitely recommend these for in the shower, at the pool, anywhere where your feet can get wet. And overall, I would highly recommend these shower shoes.